Burndy understands that proper connector installation is a vital part of a connection's longevity, efficiency, and safety. This is one of the main reasons why Burndy created BURNDYCONNECT. If projects are installed using the Burndy engineered compression system, BURNDYCONNECT will provide the information necessary to inspect connections in real time and real fast. Let's take a look at a few examples. Here we are looking at a telecommunications central office principal ground bus. The inspector will notice several copper 750 kc mil code wires and a 1/0 AWG wire. Using BURNDYCONNECT, the inspector can quickly verify the Burndy connection. The crimp profile is a circumferential profile, so the inspector can select the 750 series tool. Here, we are looking at a battery distribution fuse bay, which serves as a secondary power distribution unit in a central office. Within the fuse bay, we have several terminations. The wire being terminated in the picture are a series of number 2 copper code wire using a standard barrel Burndy lug, with 2 crimps per lug. If you know the die index number, select the die index number from the field, and the other values will automatically populate otherwise. Here, we are looking at a telecommunications central office ground bus. The inspector will notice several copper wires that were installed with the Burndy engineered system. The installation tooling was a PAT 750. Each Burndy connector being used is a standard short barrel termination. See how quickly we can inspect this panel. 750 lug shows 2 crimps. 4/0 lugs show 1 crimp. 2/0 lug shows 1 crimp. As a helpful guide, a crimp inspector has an information button that provides useful information of what to look for, crimp requirements, and proper connection illustrations when using the Burndy engineered system. BURNDYCONNECT, bringing the Burndy engineered system to the palm of your hand, giving you real answers in real time, while helping to simplify the connection and inspection process. Download BURNDYCONNECT today from your device's App Store. We hope this video was informative, and thank you for watching the BURNDYCONNECT Inspector module.